This is the new Realme P4 Power 5G and it's built around one clear idea. Battery anxiety should not exist in 2026. And what's interesting is, just less than a year ago, 7000 mAh was starting to feel like the new standard for endurance-focused phones. Realme has skipped that phase entirely and gone straight for the headline with a 10,001 mAh cell. On paper, it's an insane number, but in real life, it genuinely changes how you use the phone. Realme's lab claims include up to 32.5 hours of YouTube, 11.7 hours of BGMI, and 21.4 hours of navigation. For the right kind of user, this is the kind of battery that can make carrying a power bank feel unnecessary. But to put it in perspective, I've only had this phone for 3 days. Even then, I've been pushing it hard, taking calls, watching videos, shooting clips, snapping photos, and I still ended the day at around 50%. So I wouldn't be surprised if it becomes an easy 1.5 day phone on a single charge. So the obvious question, does it feel like a brick? Surprisingly, not really. Realme has kept it at 9.08mm, which is impressive for what's inside. But it's still not compact. The 219 gram weight is noticeable if you're coming from something lighter, though the quad-cup display and curved back help it feel smoother in hand. Realme is also pushing safety and durability, and that matters because once you go beyond 5000 to 6000 mAh, the conversation isn't just about endurance anymore. It's about heat, long-term reliability, and battery health over time. Realme says the battery should hold up better since you'll charge it less often, which makes sense, but it's not something that you can prove in a short review window. Charging is more practical than you would expect. You get 80 watt fast charging, and in my testing, it hit 50% in under 40 minutes, though that was with smart rapid charging enabled. There's also a 27 watt reverse charging, which Realme claims is the world's fastest reverse charging on a smartphone. But claims aside, with a battery this big, it's genuinely useful for topping up earbuds, a second phone, or just having backup power in a pinch. Performance-wise, the phone runs the Dimensity 7400 Ultra 5G on a 4nm processor. This is the same chip used in the Realme P4, and in Antutu it scored over 8 lakh, which is fine but not fantastic either. In regular use though, it feels smooth and responsive, apps load quickly, multitasking is stable, and it doesn't feel like it's struggling. For gaming, Realme is aiming for consistency. Like the Realme P4 and P4 Pro, the P4 Power includes the Hypervision AI chip with AI-driven optimizations to improve how games look and run. Realme also claims stable 90 FPS in BGMI, and in our testing, that turned out to be true. There's also a large cooling setup, though if you max out settings and play long sessions, you should still expect some fluctuation over time. What I like is that Hypervision in AI isn't just for gaming. It extends to video too, with features like AI Hyper Clarity, which is meant to upscale video from 720p up to around 1.5K. So content looks smoother, sharper, and more dynamic. The display itself is a 1.5K 144Hz panel, but that high refresh rate is limited to certain supported games and apps. Design-wise, Realme is going for a bold identity and a semi-transparent design. But if I'm being honest, it's hardly transparent. It's more of a two-part bag. The top has a crystal-like window showing internal structure styling, while the bottom switches to a matte finish that is grippier and doesn't attract fingerprints as much. The camera module stands out with a raised rectangular island, 2 large camera rings stacked vertically, and a slim side strip for the extra lens and flash. Overall, this phone will appeal to you if you want something different. But if you prefer clean and minimal, it might feel a bit loud. Software-wise, Realme promises 3 years of Android updates plus 4 years of security patches, which is decent. And if this phone lands close to 20,000 to 22,000 rupees, which is what I'm hoping for, that update policy feels fair for the segment. Now, because of embargo rules, I can't talk about some other things yet like camera, performance. But what you really need to know is that the Realme P4 Power is built for one thing: serious battery life. If you want long gaming sessions and don't want to live near a charger, it makes a lot of sense. If you prefer compact phones or charge phone every night anyway, it will feel more like a flex than a must-have.